Why use Payen gasket material? Because it is an economic repair. Easily available, specialized gasket material, several thicknesses and types available to meet your requirements. Suitable for a wide range of applications. When not to use gasket material. If you need to replace a complex gasket such as a cylinder head gasket. Previously, a sealing compound was used to obtain a metal-to-metal contact of the mating parts, then continue to use a sealing compound. Consult our sales material to select the correct product. It is important to select the correct material to take into account the expected service temperatures, sealed fluid, and available clamp loads. In this video, the throttle body is taken as an example. This technique can also be used for other parts on the engine. Always carefully clean the surfaces of the mating flanges. Do not use too much pressure while scraping and ensure that all the old sealing material is removed. Place the parts on the gasket material to assess the size of the sheet required. Rub a little bit of oil on the housing so you can use it as a dye. Watch out, too much or too little oil can lead to an imprecise imprint. Press the part firmly to the gasket paper, remove it and compare the imprint to the flange surface to see if it matches. Now, always first start with making the holes inside the gasket and material sheet. Cut the holes out with a punch, if you have one, otherwise use a sharp knife. Be careful with sharp knives. Select a punch that makes the hole a little bit bigger than the imprint hole. This is to avoid the bolt fouling the gaskets when being assembled on the engine. Use a wooden or plastic cutting board. Place your gasket material on it and punch out the holes first. Then use a knife and a ruler to cut out the remainder of the gasket. First cut out the outside of the gasket, then the inside. Be careful with sharp knives. If you need to make round corners on the inside of the gasket, first use a punch to cut out the edges, and then cut out the other sections. The job is now fixed. Tip: if the old gasket is still intact, put it on a piece of gasket material, mark it with a pen, and cut out just as shown before in this video. And you are ready. Whatever your sealing problem, this range of gasket materials can provide you the appropriate solution for a quick and effective repair.